Magandang hapon po ng September 23, 2025 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng September 23, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, September 23, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 23, 2025, Tuesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 53 million pesos. And Lotto 642 estimated jackpot price is 23 million pesos for Tuesday, September 23, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for September 23, 2025, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.